central Union County in the Piedmont of North Carolina until 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:01 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles northwest of Monroe, or near Wesley Chapel, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Monroe, Indian Trail, Unionville, Wesley Chapel, Wingate, Lake Park, Henry Bridge, Stallings, Weddington, and Marshville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to minor flooding of urban areas and other locations with poor drainage. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using #NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Union, North Carolina,